Hey everybody, today I'm showing you the easy kebab maker. It's a nifty tool that you can use to form your kebab. You just put your meat in there. It has a food grade plastic construction. You can insert your sticks and then you have the right, make sure you prepare your meat, you put it in there, you push, and then you have your sticks ready. These guys also have other accessories to form different types of kebabs, but this is just sort of a standard meat roll, if you will. And just make sure you add the right ingredients, you mix it, you prepare your food. I usually set aside for a bit in the fridge, and then when I'm ready to make my meal, I put it in the device and just press. And it's also a great learning tool if you want, for example, teach someone, a young one, how to prepare food, but it goes into preparing a kebab. So I'm gonna cook something in this. Let's see how it works. That's about it. So the kebabs are ready. Cook them on my grill. Doesn't take a whole lot of time. The cleaning process is also easy. Thanks for watching.